What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's another one on Gala, which has gone for a major increase in value over the last week. However, it has taken a slight dip over the last couple of hours. As you can see here guys, it pumped up to about nearly hitting the 5 cents target, and right now has dropped to 0.04308, so just about 4 cents. And as you can see, dropped a little bit, but overall for the last 24 hours it is up 24%. And we do have some exciting news guys on why it's pumped up so much. Just a little bit of information regarding our ongoing work with The Rock, which is obviously Dwayne Johnson, and Mark Wahlberg is the gas token in Go Gala Films and Go Gala Music as well. So yeah, that is one of the reasons why it's pumped up so much. So they do have a collaborations and partnership with Hollywood. So that's what we're going to be going through later on in the video, looking at how high this crypto can go, looking at its predictions. Is it time to invest right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? So on and so on, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its overall prediction for 2023, looking at is it going to pump this year, and is it worth investing into it right now, or should you wait for it to drop back down in value before investing into it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is still up nearly about 3% in the last 24 hours, which is good guys, with Bitcoin pumping up to about $17,000, as you can see, finally after a good couple of weeks. So Gala in the last hour itself has managed to gain 0.2%. Over the last day it has gained 25%. It did go up to nearly 50% earlier today. Over the week a massive 141% up guys, which is absolutely crazy. And over the month it is still up 67%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 136% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1.4 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Gala. And obviously the increase is absolutely crazy as well. So yeah, we do have a lot of people investing into the crypto, selling the crypto, and in general just trading the crypto, as it has been gaining a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and has been one of the top gainers in the last 24 to 48 hours on most exchanges. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala here in purple, 0.02163. However, it is trading at nearly double its average value here in red at 0.04254, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, yes, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Gala over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, yes guys, I'm expecting the crypto to head up to the 5 cents target as well. In between that time, we are going to see red candles, we are going to see green candles. It's going to be quite volatile, but yes, the 5 cents target tomorrow, we should be able to hit the 5 cents target if manages to keep pumping up in value, and hopefully by midday to tomorrow afternoon to evening. So let's say in the next 18 to 24 hours, I am expecting Gala to hit 5 cents again, pumping up in value. But again, in between that time, over the next 5-6 hours, I am expecting more red candlesticks dropping down to around the 4 cents target. And then once it does hit this, it should be able to climb back up in value. And by this time tomorrow, we should be trading around the 5 cents target. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still not looking too great. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Gala over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, we should see Gala trading at just about the 4 cents target. Even though I am expecting it to drop in value, it's nothing major. It's not like it's going to go for a major drop in value or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, but again, over the coming days I'm expecting it to gain value before it drops back down. So again guys, Doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days from now on for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days and red days, but the overall outcome towards the end of the week seems to be more on the negative side. But overall, I'm expecting increases in value over the next 24 to 48 hours. But again, guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs as well, and obviously with any news or updates that's going on with Gala. So let's quickly have a look into it, guys, on the news article that we've got up here from CoinGape. As you can see, Gala price skyrockets by 62%. What's happening here? So after the developers revealed a significant partnership with The Rock and a change in its business model, Gala price made a stunning comeback. So again, I'm not going to sit here reading this whole thing, but yeah, that basically highlights why it's pumped up so much in value. They do have the partnership going on with The Rock. Again, that's something, well, yes, we can see on the news, but it hasn't been officially confirmed by The Rock himself, so we're gonna have to wait for that. And once it goes up in value, then yes, guys, we'll be able to get more information, and we may see it pump up even higher than what it's worth right now. So let's get back into it. We've got the daily chart right now, and as you can see, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish. Again, because it's looking very steep, it's not too realistic. Yes, even though I am expecting an overall increase on Gala over the next couple of weeks, so let's say by the end of February, early March 2023, I am expecting an overall increase on Gala, but again, nothing too crazy, nothing major. What I'm expecting by the end of Feb is for it to hit around the 10 cents target, guys. We should be able to hit by the end of February and early March as well, depending on if there is any crashes or major bull runs and price bumps that can have a potential positive or negative impact on not just on the value of Gala, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. The 10 cents target is just around the corner. It's pumped up so much, it has to take a little breather. So if you guys do see a red day, that is absolutely normal. It is likely to take a little break in between. Again, we're not going to see it consistently pumping up in value over the coming days and weeks and so on. It is going to have red days, so that is part of the process. It is normal. And if you're really wanting to invest into Gala, I would potentially wait for the red days to appear and potentially buy the dip. But at the moment, I've got some Gala as well. I'm just holding on to it. I haven't bought more. I haven't sold it. I'm just holding on to what I've got because it's pumping up so much, and I'm expecting it to go even higher than what it's worth at the moment over the next couple of weeks and months as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala. Comment down below what your expectations and your predictions are. How high or how low do you guys expect Gala to hit by the end of 2023? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.